Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze forecast next week goal, analyze forecast for your next week goal trading. So last week we made massive profit from the gold trading. Link is below. You can join with the Telegram link gold trading community. This is the weekly chart goal. You can see last week candle is the red candle. That means sellers are in under control. Gold price pushed to the downside last week. So main reasons is first reason is the safe haven demand drop. Gold is the safe haven demand. I am always telling. So last week Iran Israel war in case fire, that's the main reason. And the second reason is the trade deal with the US China is continuing. That is the safe haven demand drop. And the third reason is the last FOMC meeting dollar strength with the hawkish tone with the Jerome Powell, Federal Reserve Americans Central Bank's chairperson. That's the reasons. That's the FX Street website mentioned growth plans below 3,300 as risk appetite surge on trade deal, China trade deal and Middle East diplomacy. That is the mention. So gold is the safe haven asset. So last week safe haven demand drop. That is the reason, main reasons for gold drop to the below side. That's the fundamental reasons. So this is the daily chart goal. You can see this trend line. Now this trend line breakouts. So last week you can see in this point trend line break out to the downside. So technically now you have a sell opportunity, but wait for the price retest and price action in this area next week if you get the trade. So this is the left shoulder head and this is the right shoulder. That's a reversal pattern, head and shoulder pattern. Technically this point price breakout to the downside. This is the daily chart technically picture. So if safe haven demand continue next week, so Iran Israel war and other side, the gold can be again pushed to the upside. That is you remember. So this is the below side target with the daily chart 3,200 and the 3,150 can be target with the sell pressure retest and can be dropped to the daily chart. That's the technically this is the support level. This is the support level with the technically picture, technically analysis in the daily chart. So that's the daily chart indicates important levels. So I am going to the now. So this level also can be target. This is the support level 3,230, 3,200 level. This is the left side support. This level also price can be pushed support from this level in right side. So important levels, important zones is there with the daily chart technically picture. So now I am going to the for our chart. Before that, so next week what are the important economic events is the labor market is the important things is next week. So non-farm employment change data next week Thursday, and the Fed forecast again growth forecast and unemployment rate 4.2% and Fed forecast to increase to 4.3%. So again labor market data drop forecast from the American Central Bank. So next week more important with the labor data. So you should touch with the economic data regarding US dollar if you're trading gold. So FX Street website, now I am going to FX Street website. September FOMC meeting, that's the interesting there. So 74% forecast the rate cut 25 bps. So this rate cut forecast increase that will help to gold push to the upside. Remember still 4.5% rate in the Federal Reserve. So that impact to the gold push to the upside. So you should touch with this rate cut forecast. So it's still price into the September FOMC meeting. So now I am in a 4-hour chart goal. So what is the this level? I am seeing this level. This is the 3,000 200 level. This is the psychological level. This support zone I am seeing interesting zone with the next week gold trading. So price is still left side in support in area. This is the right side support in the right area is support from this last Friday. So before drop can be retest to the upside. So this level, this is the support level. You can see 3300 level. This support, this is the support, and this support become resistance in light side simple technical theory. So that's the become resistant, and price can be dropped from this area. You should touch with these important zones. So if you are trading in price action in these levels important. So this trend line is the important. With the other side trend line is also there. So two scenarios, and support become resistance in, and this trend line is also important. So in price retest from this area and again can be dropped like this next week and break out to this trend line to the upside and retest. That is your buy opportunity with the other side. So see the price actions in this area, candlestick actions before get the trade combined with the fundamentals also. That the 4-hour chart indicates the important zone, important level. So price can be like this, this support breakout retest. That's your sell opportunity in next week. So below target is the 3200, 3150 can be target. So that's the important level with the 4-hour chart, technically levels, technically setups. So I am going to the 1-hour chart. So 1-hour chart, this is the 1-hour chart. So this 1-hour chart, what's the this I am seeing the trend line. This is the trend line. I am seeing price continuation to the downside last week from this trend line. So this pattern, so this channel pattern is the important. So last week's also. So I am seeing again last Friday price push from this level. So this is the support, this is the support, and push from this level also. So that's the important level. This is the support. This support can be resistance. This is the support. This support can be resistance in this area. And like this can be happen next week. So important with these zones. 1-hour chart, technically picture. So my Telegram link is below. You can join with and make good profit from the gold trading. So link is below. Join with it. Thank you very much.